Let's get busy. All right, let's get this show on the road. We're still working on our 1978 Datsun 280Z, and I think we're to the part where we can do some serious damage on the whole build, which is gonna be my least favorite thing with the most results, and that's bodywork. We're gonna be repainting the whole car. I've already got the base coat order from Tamco. We're going with the original paint code, Datsun 638's, the black pearl paint. And I've already pulled some out on a stick. We're going to see how well it matches up. So we're going to give some of the panels that we've already removed, as well as the doors and fenders and hood, a quick wash and dry all that off, and then see how well the paint matches up. So I think it's going to look good either way, but we're going to get busy. We have a lot of sanding to do. We're going to clean everything up, sand everything down, put some epoxy primer on it, then do the bodywork filler and everything, and then put some high build primer on top of that, and then we're going to go back over all of that with some primer sealer, which is just it's reduced epoxy primer. So only using 2 products as far as all that goes. Then we're going to do the Tamco black pearl base coat, and then we're going to throw on the Southern Polyurethanes clear coat on top of that. So I've got about a month of decent weather remaining, and I'm hoping I can get the whole car looking as good as the engine bay does within that time frame. There's a lot of work to do, a lot of sanding, a lot of sanding. That's my least favorite part of the thing. Spraying it is obviously a lot of fun. You get to see all your hard work come to fruition and start reflecting back at you. So